Hey everyone, what's up? It's Pro here, and I have now released the beta version of MVCodeMax. So, for those who don't know, this is a cool plugin maker that I've been working on for a while. You have a help section over here on creating params and everything if you want. But this isn't necessarily a tutorial, but if you want to figure out how to use the program, the console log, which actually opens by default, should tell you where everything is at. And if you close it, all you have to do is click on view and then show developer tools, or just Control-Shift-I. Anyway, yeah, so it should tell you how to actually use the program. So first off, we're going to go ahead and I'm actually going to open up the sample project to show you what it does. So here you have you have like a little console log over here to kind of let you know what's happening. Let's go ahead and refresh this. You'll see it come out. Like now it's clear. All right, so anyway, the file name is the name of the plugin that will actually get generated inside of your plugins folder. So yeah, okay, so you have the plugin here where, as you can see, everything should be somewhat self-explanatory. You got the description, you got the name, you got the help section here. This is the copyright of your plugin, this is the license of your plugin. You got your parameters here, which are objects, so you can do like you can make another one if you wanted to. It could be anything. You can do numbers, and then the numbers will actually have a min and max thing, but that's in the help section there if you want to read that. Get rid of that thing there. So now there is a theme option where you can change your theme as well. I'm going to be coming up with more themes, or you can create your own if you want. Just add them to the themes folder. But yeah, people, pretty cool because yeah. Oh yeah, this hasn't worked yet. I was actually going to like have a thing where you can change the Ace Editor theme as well, but that doesn't work yet. If you want, you can change your font size though, so you can do like that. Just save the changes there. So, what this does, like, I know I already said that it kind of creates plugins for your games. I did have it to where you can test your project in real time, but RPG Maker is different on Linux for some reason. Like, it works with Windows, but it doesn't work on Linux. Not 100% sure why, but if I can figure that out, I will probably re-add that feature. Anyway, yeah, so you have the ability to kind of separate your scripts and everything, and it'll compile everything down later. So like right now, let's go to new. I'll show you a hotkey example. So Control F2 will quickly create a Windows sample. Control F3 will quickly create a scene sample. So you can get to creating a window and a scene pretty quickly by doing this. Now there are different, there are strings that you can use, I guess, that can output whatever you have here. So file name, author, description, copyright, and license. I think those are the ones that I have at the moment. And those are $, and in between brackets, not curly braces, brackets, you would do file name. That would actually get replaced by the file name that you define in config.json. Same thing with description, author, and I think copyright and license as well. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. If you don't want to create params and structs this way, then you can also do it the original way, just by creating a script. And then, yeah, just by creating a script and, just doing it the original way. So let's just do params. Let's call it params. So let's do, if you wanted to do it this way, if you wanted to do it that way, but I don't recommend it. I recommend actually doing through the JSON data, because I don't know, it feels more clean to me, but it's up to you regardless. Anyway, if you want to try this program out, the beta is there. Whenever you save your files, you won't see all these folders, but this is just like, you'll see a plugins folder here, and that's where your plugin gets saved. So all you have to do is copy that over to your RPG Maker project. So all you have to do is copy it over to your plugins folder like you normally would a regular other plugin, And voila, there it is. Your sample plugins here, and you can configure the params and all that. Structs fully work. Everything works for the most part. There are, a lot of things that I need to update, I think, with the thing. But yeah, for the most part, as you can see, the sample plugin here will run properly. So we do here. And voila, it says value, which is the thing that we determined here. So if I do jank apples. Oh my gosh, that's so loud. There we go, jank apples. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Have some fun using this because, yeah, I might actually do some streams on it. I don't know yet. Bye. Yeah.